In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow people download your video pins on Pinterest. After uploading a video pins, you probably want to allow people download it upon seeing it. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Pinterest homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then proceed to the top right corner where you see these 3 dots and tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear. Continue to tap on settings. This will land you on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Continue to tap on social permissions. Then on this interface, proceed to scroll down until you locate video pin downloads. Make sure this is toggled on, and with this toggled on, it will let people download your video pins and share them to other platforms. These videos will however feature watermark with your username on it. So this is a way of getting your brand being established and spread on Pinterest. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.